Welcome to WISE, the all-in-one tutor management platform for one-on-one and group sessions. In this walkthrough, we'll explore client registration forms, a public registration form that helps you collect leads and automatically capture parent and student information. Here's how it works. On the Get Started tab, you will find the option to add a student. Click on this option to open the registration form. You can copy and share this link directly with the parents or use it as a landing page for your marketing campaigns. Let's take a look at how to customize it. Inside Settings, open the Registration Form section. Here, you can enable the form, choose the fields you want, make certain details mandatory, and modify it based on the information you need. Once your form is set up, this is exactly what parents will see on their side. A simple, clean registration form they can submit instantly. After submitting, they'll receive a confirmation message letting them know their details have been received. As soon as a parent completes the form, a student profile is automatically created under Users. When you open the profile, you'll find both parent and student information already added, so you don't have to type anything manually. From here, you can easily add them to a course or follow up directly. This means fewer steps, no manual data entry, and a much smoother registration experience for parents. Let parents register instantly, while WISE takes care of organizing their details in the background. Simple, fast, and incredibly useful for growing institutes.